Good morning. Hi, how are you? It's time for math lesson. So today, before we begin, let's go ahead and pray. Dear Jesus, thank you for this day. Thank you for your blessings. I pray you help us learn our math lesson today. Be with us, take care of us. In Jesus, we pray, amen. So we've been dividing, and today we will be dividing by 6. So there have been many strategies we can use, many methods, many ways, and one of the things is groups when we do our circles, or arrays when we do line them up into lines, or we can do also number lines too. So let's go ahead today and we're going to be doing groups, and we're going to review some more of those groups. So let's read the first problem. If you look on page 313 on the very top right here where it says unlock the problem, Miss Singh. Right here, missing needs to buy 24 juice boxes. Circle the number 24 because that's going to be very important. So go ahead and go to your number 24 and circle. Awesome. Good job. So now it says here that she uses 24 boxes and then she's going to, it says, for a picnic, for a class picnic. Juice boxes come in packs of 6. How many packs does Miss Singh need to buy? So let's make groups. If you are right there in this count right here where the pencil is, you're going to draw 24 little juice boxes. So you can go ahead and draw them. Like, let me show you on this little board here how to draw 24 little boxes like this. Here's one. So you're going to make 24 of these boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So something like this, I have now 24. 24 boxes. Now it says that they come in packs of 6. So I put 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you circle a group. You circle a group of 6. And then you have another group of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you circle another group of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, circle another group of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, circle another group of 6. So now that you have circled as many groups of 6 as you can, we're going to count how many groups did we make. So here I have 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, and 4 groups. 4 groups. So now I have 4 groups. So there are 4 groups of 6. Go ahead and write 4 on how many groups we have right here. Write 4. There are 4 groups of 6. So missing needs to buy how many packs for her classroom picnic? 4. 4 packs. So you can write 24 divided by 6 equals 4. Or you can also write it, the 24 inside the little house and the 6 outside. The answer is 4. There are 4 groups. Okay, let's go ahead and try other ways. And let's look at the other page on top. It says to use a related multiplication fact. So we can go ahead and also use multiplication to solve. So I know that 4 times 6 equals 24. So 26 divided by 6 equals 4. And that's also 4 times 6 equals 24. So 24, like we did right now, divided by 6 equals 4 groups. So right here, number 4. Here also number 4. Now, look at letter B. We use factors, the factors of 6 and 3 and 2. Here are the factors. 3 times 2 equals 6. To divide by 6, use the factors. 24 divided by 6. Divide by 3. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. And 8 divided by 2 equals 4. And then divide by 2. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. And you write here 4. Because I know that if I have 24 groups and I divide it by 6, I'm going to get 4 groups, just like we did in our picture in the very, 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 very beginning. So how does knowing 6 times 9 equals 54 help you find 54 divided by 6? That question right here. Let's go ahead and solve and talk about that question. For example, I know that it's a multiplication because 6 times 9 equals 54 is related to multiplication fact for 54 divided by 6. So since we know that 6 times 9 equals 54, then 54 divided by 6 equals 9. They are related because multiplication and division, they are related. And we know that for a fact that if you know your multiplication for that answer, for example, 6 times 9, let's go ahead and write down. If we know, for example, 6 times 9 equals 54. I know 6 times 9 equals 54. So then I know, I put the big number first, 54 divided by, and you can write 6. If I put 6, 54 divided by 6 is going to give me 9. Because the numbers are related. They are connected. So we're able to know and understand that knowing that multiplication fact is going to help you find the division. The next part for our math assignment, it says share and show. It says continue making equal groups. So today we are using equal groups to solve our math. So we are going to go ahead and look at the next one. It says 18 divided by 6 equals. So now what we need to do is draw 18, just like you have in your math book. It's already showing you those 18 groups. See? So now I need to circle 6. 18 divided by 6. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Circle. And then you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Circle. So you're going to be circling all those. So like let's say I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So what I do is I count 1, 2, 3. So the sentence is 18 divided by 6. So I have 18 total. That's my first number. How many I have total? And then I need to circle 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one and this is one group. So how many groups did I have? How many circles do I have? One group, 2 groups, 3 groups. So 3. There are 3 into those groups. So I know that 18 divided by 6 equals 3. So you can go ahead and write 3 on this right here, 3. The next part says find the missing factor and quotient. For this, you will use the exact same examples that we're doing right now. The exact same. Look at number 2. The big number is 36. So you're going to draw 36 counters. You draw the 36 circles, and then you're going to circle 6. It says there 6 times. So circle that 6 times. For example, right here it says 36 divided by 6. So I would say do the division first and then fill it in. Your answer is here is going to be the same answer for this multiplication sentence. So 36 divided by 6, you find your answer. Draw 36 counters and then circle 6, just like we did this one. That's the same way you're going to solve the next ones. Solve this one. You're going for this one. 21 divided by 12 divided by 6. Draw 12 counters. Circle groups of 6. To find the quotient, same thing for 4 through 7. Find the big number, like 2, and then it says how many groups of 0. So for that one, a 0. We're not going to have any groups because we're circling 0 groups. So there's no groups. 0. Anything divided by 0 is 0. That was one of the rules we learned yesterday. And then here, continue your division using groups. Practice your groups on your own as well. On your own, you practice doing groups here. On this, on your own, you're going to be doing your groups. So I suggest do the division one first. It's telling me 30 divided by 6. So draw your 30 circles, your 30 groups, and circle groups of 6. The little number is how many groups. Same thing for the next one. 48 divided by 6. You draw 48 circles and you do groups of 6. And continue on for the rest of your problems. Find the quotient as well for division. We're going to be using groups. Here, the big number, the one in the house, is how many counters you draw, 35. And the outside tells you 5 groups. So it's 35 divided by 5. And the top goes your answer. And then, same thing for the hot question, the high order thinking question. You're finding the missing number. So here it tells me 40. And I need to find how many groups. How many are in each group? 8. So you could draw 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 circle until you get to 40. That's how you find the missing numbers, and you can practice just like we've been doing this. Use groups to help you answer all these questions. It'll be the best and easiest way for you, just the way we solve those problems in the first section. And in the word problem, we are not doing tables for the word problems today. It's just reading, answering carefully the question. Underline your question to help you solve these problems. Circle the numbers to help you solve these problem solving. Like here, Cody baked 12 muffins. How many muffins can he give to each of his 6 friends? Circle 6 and circle 12. So here I need to find 12 divided by 6 equals. So draw your groups. Draw your 12 muffins and then circle groups of 6. And then you'll get your answer. That is the best strategy for these problem solving skills. Underline your question, circle the numbers, and then divide by using groups. Practice groups. Same thing for this one. For 30 and 31. Underline the question, circle the numbers, and draw your groups like the way we drew on the board. The big number is how many all, and then the little number is how many groups they want. So they want 6 groups for this one. And continue. Here, they want to ask you, write a word problem. So you have 30. Now you need to find how many groups you want. Do you want groups of 10? 30 divided by 10, or 30 divided by 2, 30 divided by 5. It's your choice. It's your problem. You find what you would like. And 31 is your test prep question. Answer this and prepare yourself for Texas test questions that are very important that we take. And here, same thing. Look at the big number 48. Each picnic table at a park can set up to 6 people. How many tables will 48 people fill? So you do groups. 48 divided by 6. So you're going to circle 6 in each group. and you'll get your answer by doing your work, by doing your groups. So let me know if you need any help, if you would like to sign up for any of the tutoring sessions, anything that would help you, that I can help you more closely on small groups or one to one, whatever works best for parents on different schedules and things. I'm here to help you. I'm here to help you learn any question that your son may or daughter may be having difficulties with. Just go ahead and let me know. I am more than excited and happy to help you. Have a great day. Bye.